In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Taobao app in English. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap to switch the app's language, what the menu labels look like, and how to make the change stick. Start by opening the Taobao app on your phone. If you aren't already signed in, log in first so your settings save correctly. From the home screen, head to your profile area. Look at the bottom right of the screen for the My Taobao icon. On some versions, it's labeled in Chinese as Wo de Taobao. Tap that to open your account page. Next, find the settings area. Look toward the top right corner of your profile page for a small gear icon or three dots. Both lead to the same place. Tap that to open the app's settings menu. Don't worry if the layout looks a little different on your device. Taobao updates its interface often, but the gear or three dot icon is the reliable entry point. Inside settings, look for general settings. In Chinese, it may appear as Tongyang. This section gathers core app preferences, and it's where language lives. Open general settings, then choose language, shown as Yuyan. This is the screen that controls how the interface is displayed. You'll now see options to change the app language. Depending on your version, you might see English, shown as Yingwen, or you may see an international version or international mode option labeled Guo Ji Ban. Either choice will move the interface toward English. Tap the one you prefer to apply the selection. To make sure the change takes effect across the app, fully restart Taobao. Close it completely from your recent apps view, then open it again. After reopening, the menus, labels, and most navigation should appear in English or in the international layout you selected. A few quick tips while you're here. If you don't immediately see English as an option, choosing the international version typically brings more English throughout the app. Also, some seller descriptions, reviews, or images may still be in Chinese since that content is user-generated. That's normal and doesn't mean the language setting failed. If the interface doesn't change after your first try, repeat the steps and make sure you fully close the app before reopening. That's it. Open Taobao, go to My Taobao, enter settings, visit general settings, tap language, choose English or the international version, and restart the app. Thanks for watching and enjoy browsing Taobao in a language that's easier to navigate.